Hey guys, in this video I'm going to test out the Telesin waterproof housing unit for the GoPro Hero 9 and to see if there's any water going to leak on the inside. So if you're going to purchase one of these, you probably wanted to know how secure it is and how tight the waterproof is. So let's take a look. I'm going to press on the record button here as well. There is a button up here that you can press and then it will start recording, and I'm just gonna place it in this bucket right here and just gonna turn on the tap. I'm just gonna fill up the bucket. Press on the button here to stop recording as well, and I'm just gonna take it out and we can take a look. Okay, I can wipe it clean now. Just gonna wipe it dry and see if there's gonna be any leak on the inside. So before I open it, I want to really dry it out. Okay, so now I'm going to open it and we're going to find out. So there's some water at the top here, but that's just on the outside. Again, I'm going to give it a wipe before I open it. And here it is. You can see there's no leak inside. The GoPro Hero 9 camera is completely dried, so there's no water on the inside. On the surrounding edge there is some water, but not on the inside. So yeah guys, I think it works fine. It's actually preventing water from coming in, and I'm not sure how deep down you have to go before the pressure of the water begins to penetrate on the case and leaking into the case, but at the moment you can see there's no leak on the inside of the case. Thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.